Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix the specified shrink size is too big and will cause the volume to be smaller than the minimum volume size. Right-click Start button, click Disk Management. Extend C drive. Shrink volume again. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.